Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Abed Behala, and I'm Kunal here. So, my friends, today we'll have a completely different thing. So, এতদিন ধরে আমরা English grammar classes করেছি. We have done a lot of grammar chapters, but today we'll be doing a completely different thing, that is English grammar quiz. So, in this quiz contest, so we can check that how we are improving, right? So today we are starting contest 1, quiz contest 1, and I'm sure that you will have a great fun in doing this quiz contest, and I want to see how many of you can get 15 out of 15. There will be 15 questions, and for each question 3 options will be there, so you have to choose the correct one. So, my friends, let's start our class. Let's start our quiz contest 1, and I want to see how many of you can get 15 out of 15. Number 1. A dash of policemen visited the spot where the accident took place. 3 options are there: patrolling, pose, party. Answer is option B, pose. So, a pose of policemen. So, this is a collective noun. It's a group of policemen is called pose. Number 2. In English grammar, the subject is that part of a sentence dash which something is said about, for, on. Which is the correct answer? Answer is option A, about. About which something is said. Number 3. He lost his parents in dash. Child, children, childhood. Answer is option 3. Option C, childhood. So he lost his parents in childhood. Number 4. Dash is better than strength. Wise, clever, wisdom. Answer is option C, wisdom. Wisdom is better than strength. 5. He treats his children with great dash. Kind, kindly, kindness. Answer is C, kindness. He treats his children with great kindness. 6. The girl has a dash voice. Sweetly, sweet, sweetness. Answer is B, sweet. The girl has a sweet voice. Number 7. Are you speaking the dash? Question mark. True, truly, truth. Answer is C, truth. Are you speaking the truth? Number 8. They saw 3 dash. Deer, deers, deers. Spelling is different. So what can be the correct answer? Answer is option A, deer. Not deers, not dears, deers. Right? So usually we make mistakes over here. Right? So deer, dozen. এই ওয়ার্ডগুলোতে সিঙ্গুলার আর প্লুরাল সেম। সো এখানে 3 ডিয়ার্স হবে না, ডিয়ার, ডি ডাবল ইয়ার, ডিয়ার। নাম্বার 9, দীপক or Dipti dash the conference room each week. Clean is cleaning, cleans. Option answer is option C, cleans. Deepak or Dipti cleans the conference room each week. এখানে each week কথাটা বলা আছে, so that means regular use, routine work, that means simple present tense we use over here. Okay, and that is why Deepak or Dipti. So he or she, like this. So third person singular number. In that case, we use s or yes to the action word. So clean এর সাথে আমরা s টা যোগ করছি. So Deepak or Dipti cleans the conference room each week. Number 10. What's the time now? Dash your watch. At, by, on. Answer is option B, by. What's the time now? By your watch. এটাও একটা কমন এরর, অনেকেই করে। ওকে, নট অ্যাট your watch, not on your watch. টাইম সবসময় by your watch. What's the time now? By your watch. Keep in mind that. Number 11. They gave each of the dash a handsome prize. Participant or participants? Singular or plural? Participant or participants? What can be the correct answer? Answer is option B, participants. They gave each of the participants a handsome prize. Each of, one of থাকলে তারপরের যে নাউনটা প্লুরাল হবে, রাইট? Number 12. His room was dash searched by the police. Been, B-double-N, been, done, being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Answer is option C, being, B-E-I-N-G, being. His room was being searched by the police. Room was been হয় না, this a been is a participle form of be. Was been হয় না, was done হয় না, was being searched মানে তার রুমটা সার্চ করা হচ্ছিল। Well, so continuous tense is there, that is why be verb continuous form as being. So was being searched by the police. Next 13. I will not give dash under pressure. Out, in, away. Answer is option B, in. I will not give in under pressure. Give in means to surrender. So I will not give in under pressure. Next 14. A dash of dolphins danced gaily. Shoal, crowd, school. Answer is option C, school. A school of dolphins danced gaily. শোয়ালের সঙ্গে ফিশ হয়, শোয়াল অফ ফিশ, ক্রাউড অফ পিপল, স্কুল অফ ডলফিনস, ডলফিনসের একটা গ্রুপকে আমরা স্কুল বলি, স্কুল অফ ডলফিনস ডান্সড গেইলি, রাইট? নেক্সট নাম্বার 15. It was good dash you to help me in my need. For, to, of. Answer is option C, off. It was good of you to help me in my need. আমরা বলি যে kind of you, so good of you. So it was good of you, kind of you to help me in my need. Right? And along with this, today's contest is over. So my friends, just check how much you have got so far. And please text me in comment box that how many of you get 15 out of 15 or how much you have got so far, right? Please also let me know whether you have enjoyed the video or not. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.